My name is Tara Harder. I am the Employee Success and Brand Manager here at Fleet Repair Solutions. Well, before Blaze here at this company, we did not have a process. I've only been here for a little under 2 years, and they had in the past done some previous posting on social media, but very little. I looked you up immediately and was like, okay, I want to give this a try. And it worked. Oh my God. It's been night and day. Simple. Yeah.
Yeah, very simple.
We have the calendar planned out, almost 2 months. We're competing with some really huge other competitors. I mean, we're talking, we're a $30 million company. We're no mom and pop, but we're sure as heck aren't a $500 million company. Our growth with our company is just immense. I mean, I hired 110 people last year alone. Now we just need our advertising and our brand awareness and name recognition matching up with that. And the easiest way to do it is through social media. And we've gotten huge results. I mean, absolutely, positively huge results. Instagram and Facebook, our reach has increased anywhere from 27 to 50%. Our engagement has increased 17%. Just from last week to this week is 17%. Our engagement on our posts are anywhere from 60 to 70%. So that's mind-boggling when you think we never even had an Instagram. Blaze is like a warm blanket.
There we go.
A warm, heated blanket. So when I'm completely and utterly stressed out, I can just climb in the blanket and know it's going to take care of everything.